Hello investors, this is Ramesh Mantri here to talk about the latest fund offering from WhiteOak Capital, the WhiteOak Capital Digital Bharat Fund. What is this fund about? This fund is about leveraging two strategic opportunities in India. Globally competitive tech industry, which is leveraged to the global economy, and the ongoing digital transformation that the Indian economy is going through. So let's start with the Indian technology sector. In this ever-changing technology landscape, why is Indian technology services companies will remain relevant? The answer is simple. These businesses are solution providers between businesses which have complex technology needs and the tech companies which create technology. One of them does not understand businesses, one of them does not understand technology. The Indian IT services companies are to marry technology and business together. And while India is now a clear global powerhouse in technology outsourcing, it is now emerging as the dominant hub for engineering, R&D and product development. Over 1,700 global capability centers have been set up in India. And you can be rest assured that even the new wave of AI, India has the highest trained AI professionals in the world. The second opportunity is the digital transformation that India is going through. The cheap data and the ubiquitous data has transformed the digital landscape in India. Layer it on top of Aadhaar and UPI, and now the fast-growing logistics infrastructure. A lot of industries in India are getting impacted or disrupted by the digital transformation. Let's start with two examples. First, financial services, something we are all close to. Now, financial services predominantly about four activities: payments, lending, insurance, and savings. Already three of these four sector spaces. Payments have been disrupted by UPI apps. In insurance, the insurtech aggregators have become dominant. And in savings, you have the discount brokers and the online wealth management platforms that are disrupting the space. Only the lending space is yet to be disrupted. Now think of the consumer. How do we book tickets now? How used to do a decade ago versus today? Everything on app. Similarly, who could imagine India's traditional retail industry getting disrupted by the last 3 years by the emergence of quick commerce? Quick commerce is seeing rapid adoption and is disrupting both modern retail, traditional retail, and even the e-commerce platforms. That is the power of technology. Now, the important point I want to say here is all the technology businesses and digital companies, when you combine together, only account for 10% of India's benchmark. It's north of 30% in US and 25% globally. So one thing is assured, that this weight will only go up over time. And in the digital space, more and more companies will go public in the Indian markets, and that provides an exciting opportunity. So why WhiteOak for the Digital Bharat Fund? One of the most deeply resourced investment team with decades of experience in technology and new age businesses. Number two, we have the ability to leverage our global research in tech and digital businesses across our global emerging markets, across 25 countries. And the three is the fact that we have built our own analytical tools, frameworks to analyze and value digital businesses. The fund will have a high active share, which is a necessary condition for it to outperform the benchmark. So investors, I'm very excited about the WhiteOak Capital Digital Bharat Fund. It is now open for subscription.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.